Hey, it's Dr. Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and I shout out to my patient who got me this cool t-shirt. I'm totally going to alter this concept to make my own merch. It says, "Get in, loser, we're doing butt stuff." I think that's pretty funny. He wore it to the office and then he gave me one so we could take a picture of matching t-shirts. So shout out to my patients who have awesome senses of humor, as I guess you kind of need. I'd like to say seeing a colorectal surgeon's a lot like an alien abduction. I mean, we put you on that crazy table that sort of goes up and down, and then we got to look in the cheeky buns and probe and stuff. The difference would be I don't have my office in a trailer park or on an abandoned road anywhere. So, I mean, that makes me a little bit different than an alien. But tune in. We will be discussing gut stuff for sure. As you can see, I'm on a pretty important mission to spread the word, and you can help me by subscribing to our channel, sharing it with friends, hitting that notification button, and finding me on other social media channels such as YouTube and Rumble at Dr. Anna Toker, and I hope to see you there.